Hello, welcome back to another YouTube video. We're going to look at reporting profit today. I'm going to get straight into it. All I ask for is a subscribe, and like, and share with your friends. So profit is the money left over once all costs have been taken into account. And now businesses want to increase their profits every year. So if they get £100 in year one and £250 profit in year two, that's good. But if profits decrease, it's not a good sign, even if the firm still makes a profit. So for example, £100 in year one and £90 in year two isn't a good sign because it shows the firm ain't growing. Now they could check this using percentage changes. So this is just calculated by a formula doing new take away old, and you divide by old and times 100. I put the new take away old in brackets because you do that first before you divide by old. So I have a little example if you don't know what I mean. So the year one profit is 200, year two profit is 320. So the new 320 take away the old 200, divide by 200 is 0.6, times that by 100 is 60, so the profits increased by 60%. From that, just remember the definition of profit and how to calculate percentage change. Now what I'm going to talk about now is the three different types of profits and their formulas, and you need to remember all of those. So first you have gross profit, revenue take away cost of sales, and it's just the amount of money left over once cost of sales have been taken into account. This refers to stuff like, anything to do with making a product. Then you have operating profit. Gross profit, take away other operating expenses, and operating profit is the money left over once the cost of sales and other operating expenses have been taken into account. And lastly, you got profit for the year, also known as net profit, which is operating profit, take away interest. Interest could be anything on the money borrowed, such as like a loan. And once you get a net profit, the firm would have to pay tax on that figure. And businesses want to see all of these profits increasing together. It will be bad if one increases and the other doesn't. For example, if gross profit increases year on year, but operating profit doesn't, it's bad because it shows that the business isn't controlling their finances and their costs. There's something going wrong. So from this slide, remember what profit is, the percentage change, and remember the three types of profits and the formulas. So we're just going to look at a statement of comprehensive income. This shows all the firm's profits, such as the cost and the remaining profits. So like the gross profit, all that stuff. That's what it shows. You don't really need to know the definition, you just need to know what it is. And it's used to assess the financial performance of a firm. If revenue has increased more than the rate of inflation, it's said to be in a healthy position. So let's look. You can see the revenue. We'll look at 2014, for example, 19,780. Then you have the cost of sales, 12,680. If you do the formula for gross profit, you get the gross profit, as you can see, 7,100. Then you do the formula for operating profit, so gross profit minus any other operating expenses, which in this instance is distribution cost, administration expenses, and you get your operating profit. Then if you want to find out the profit before tax, which is also your net profit, you do operating profit take away finance costs, and then eventually you get that. And obviously you pay tax afterwards, etc. And as you can see that the gross profit has increased from 2014 to 2015, so is the operating profit, and so is the net profit. So this business is doing well. Hopefully you understand how I've got those figures. Just think of it, it works all the way down. You start off with revenue, then you go to gross profit, to operating profit, and then to net profit. You just work your way down and follow the formulas. Revenue, take away cost of sales, gross profit. Then after you gross profit, take away all the operating expenses, operating profit, and so on for net profit. If you don't understand, just rewind the video or put in the comments and I'll try to explain it better. But apart from that, that's all you need today. All I ask for is a subscribe and like and share with your friends. And thank you for watching.